And then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click save. Okay, so let's give it a call and make sure that it works.
Hey, this is Lindsay. Sorry I missed you. I'm going to have my assistant give you a call right now.
Okay, perfect. So now we know if we call the Twilio number directly that it's connected, we hear that greeting, and now we just need to connect it to the rest of the workflow. And this looks very simple. It's only 3 nodes, but it's super powerful. So the first node that we're going to add is the webhook, and it's going to be a post, and then just give it a simple path, like I have assistant abbreviated as ASST. And then for respond, we want to use using respond to webhook node. And this is super important because basically we want to make sure that if somebody calls the Twilio number, that it's not generating multiple calls. And so if Twilio doesn't know that the webhook has been received, it might continue to send post requests to the webhook, and we don't want to generate a bunch of different calls. And I have some test data in here because it's going to make it a lot easier for me to show you how we're going to map this. So let's go ahead and move on to the next node. All right, next we are going to send a HTTP request to Vapi. And before we dive into that, let me actually take you over to Vapi so you can see how we have that agent configured. This is Brenda, the missed call callback AI voice agent. And just a couple things that are different than inbound agents, which you might be used to, is number one, the assistant waits for the user to speak. So basically all that means is that the agent is not going to speak until the caller that we're returning their call answers the phone and says their hello or whatever their greeting is. And then as soon as the lead does answer the call and says hello,